from the stage, and I really want to be more energetic and involved here, because we will have to interact here to have it better and useful. So, in Bazaraki, we work hard for smart listings and faster sales. And today we want to make it helpful for you and provide useful information to real estate agents and everyone in real estate. First of all, make me introduce briefly about myself. My name is Leyla. I'm from Azerbaijan. It's my first time in Cyprus. And I have 8 years experience in general in IT, in computer science, in data science and artificial intelligence, and the last 10 months of them were in Larixon. Larixon is a mother company of Bazaraki, and here within product department team, we have data team, where we and my great colleagues working on data, trying to have some insights, trying to make process more data-driven, but not without losing our business intuition, because it's always matter. So my today's speech will include AI. It's a bit hype and important topic every day, but it's a bit mysterious for a lot of us. And I want to make it more practical, more applicable, and more useful for each of you today, and that's my main purpose. I have a gut feeling that everyone in this room loves finance, numbers, money, so let's start from some statistics. Some study, like Deloitte Financial Service study shows us, like a huge amount of investment was made in real estate, in AI. So this number is like 3.5 billion of USD. This is really a huge number, and all this investment was done last in post-pandemic period. It looks like COVID somehow boosted AI in real estate also. It's very strange, but it's nice to have. Because in compare with the previous 3 years before pre-pandemic, this number much more or less. So we have huge investment in real estate AI after pandemic. And these Deloitte Financial Service reports also give us a good understanding which type of projects we invested for. And it looks like real estate companies started to make smart property listings, maybe better recommendation systems. They use marketing's AI in marketings to increase their sales. They also maybe like scoring their customers to understand are they risky or are they really reliable. Also, maybe they start to like predict the value of the property for the future and use this information in their business life. And also AI used for ecological part in real estate statement, so it's also very nice to have. Study shows that a lot of customers, around 75%, more than 75% customers, they like to use their product and have some real augmented reality experience with them before they purchase it. For example, they want to make some AR vision, some 3D visualization tools, and IKEA knew that. And I really want to present this case study because it's really a good sample how some big company can use AI in their life, and you can make some conclusions about for yourself. So IKEA started a bit far. They started even in 2017, which is before pandemic. They have really sharp vision about. And they launched some application, IKEA Place. Where the point is, you just upload some app, use your phone, you point your camera to the place in your corner, to the corner in your room, and you drag some IKEA's element to your camera, and you will be able to see how it's going to be in real life. You will have some real visions about it. And they went further, and after 5 years, they replaced this app with a new one. And now this app called IKEA Creative, you can go to IKEA.com and upload this to your mobile phone. And the point here, you can easily generate 3D visualization of your room. You can use your camera, make 3D model of your room, of your place, and after it, you can remove any unrelevant elements from your place and remain only what you want. After, of course, you will have some IKEA store behind, and you can create really strange, interesting designs by using these elements. You can save this design, you can share this design. You can also ask AI to create some new design for you if you don't have any ideas about. And I found this story very insightful because some furniture store, it's even not real estate store, but they have some clear vision, and they developed a lot of such tools for their clients, and they are innovative in that manner. So you can also conclude something for your business also from there. So The main point of my speech today is to present some AI tools which every one of you can go at home and start to use. Because it's based on my own research, and it took me like 2-3 weeks to which application it will be useful for you. And the first, my tool will be Virtual Staging AI. This tool is useful for furniture removal from the pictures, and they also give you some visualizing design ideas of your place. It was a startup, then they go to the big company, and it was developed by Harvard Innovation Lab. This is a web application, so if you go to the Google, like starting to type Visual Staging AI, you will have some such screen. It's a screenshot from their website. They also provide API integrations. It means like you can integrate this product with your product also, just based on API calls, requests, and so it's pretty you can easily integrate it to your business. And the price is very reasonable. It starts from $25 per month, and you are charged only for photo which you applied. Then you can do a lot of stuff with this photo. So it's pretty fair, I think. And thanks God, it was not too expensive, and I had the chance to start to use it by myself. But before going to the real output, I also want to mention very important points, how you should to use this type of application, because sometimes physical staging costs a lot of money. Just try to predict how many costs you will have if you will have to remove some furniture from your place, even buy some new furniture here. You have to pay for physical labor. It's really a lot of stuff to do. And even if you're a rich person and you don't have problem with money, you will lose some time for it. So it's also time effectiveness. Also, just imagine like you have some good place to sell, but you don't have some brand new furniture in it. And of course, the photo will not be so attractive for buyers and sellers. So you can use it for make your own marketing easily. No need to make it in real. You can create digital one, and it works pretty well. Also imagine you are trying to sell your home, and you have different type of clients. Someone student, someone family, and you can generate some. You can serve different tastes by using this app, and you can make different decoration of this app by using this tool. And instant results. It took me less than a minute to create all the outcome, which I will show you later. It's really easy, it's really fast. And as I said, you don't pay it for each generated image. You pay it once when you uploaded this image. And then you can generate infinite number of projects. So let's start to see the real outcome. It's really nice to say about it, to talk about it, but in practice, we have to see how it works in practice, of course. I took someone's kitchen photo from Bazaraki. Hopefully this guy is not here, and it's real photo. Sorry for that. This is real photo from Bazaraki, and we have some kitchen. Actually, it looks pretty nice, I think, but maybe some decoration outside, maybe not so relevant to the sale. And I start to use removing furniture feature. Remember this picture? And I had this one. So it's done a good job, I think. It's really remove all unrelevant stuff, and you have real clear vision and better photo right now. But what if I will drag some new furniture here and make it more better? So I had this one. It's not such a big difference because the kitchen was already new and nice, clean. But I think such kind of stuff may be very useful when you don't have so brand new furniture in your kitchen and stuff. So just for comparison, go back. This is the original one. And this is a digital version of your kitchen. So it's really, you can use it whatever you want. If you are agent, if you are selling your home, if you are dealing with it in somehow, you can use it in your daily life. And it's very easy to use. No extra special skills you need. Just button and wait. Also, let's go to this picture. It's also someone's living room. Again, sorry. But this sample is a good example when you don't have brand new furniture in your place. And maybe I will not go and buy this living room. It's not looking so attractive. Probably you agree with me. And I decide to change this furniture to some brand new one, just with one click. And I had this one. But I just here want to interact with you about, because I think this is a great job, But I want to hear about, what do you think about? Is it better than this, or do we lose something here? Just the previous one and the next one. Sure, beautiful lady. Uh-huh. So you are more attracted by this version, right? Okay. So you like it, but you saw some differences, right? You saw, okay. So the point here, like, if you go back and it is a real fun, we lose some elements like door maybe and the room not so similar to the previous original one. But we also generate infinite number of this design patterns. So I can also do this, and here I save all the stuff, doors on the place, the picture much more better than the previous one. So I'm pretty believe that you will buy this living room rather than this living room. And there is no need to make extra something for it. Just go pay some dollars and just create new listings. And I find this tool very useful in that purpose. Also, the last thing which I want to mention about this tool is that you may have pretty empty place. Like it's a new building, you don't have any furniture, you buy a house with a lot of rooms, and you try to decide, how can I use this place? Should it be better as a living room or maybe bedroom? It's really matter when you have a lot of rooms, but I hope all of you will have sometimes this pleasure and this question in their minds. So you can generate living room here and at least have some insights how it will look as a real living room. It really gives some like intuition about. But what about if I will use this place as a bedroom? It will look like this. And you will really have some real visions, real understanding, and you will make a better decision on how to use your place. Even if you are not buying, you can sell it by this furniture. It will be more attractive for the customers. So again, you can use this tool. It's pretty easy, and I think it's pretty useful for guys who are in real estate. So now I want to turn to my second tool, which I want to introduce you. This company is they are fully related with real estate, and they are integrating only with real estate companies. And they have a lot of options. They have a lot of products. Some of them I will speak about later. But now I just want to briefly touch some of them, like photo compliance, for example. Each company may have own rules. Like you have your website and you want customers upload image to here, like only with some watermarks, or with no person in this room, or with no religion or political sign in the picture. And by controlling this stuff manually, you will lose a lot of time and money, of course, but such type of projects may make it automatically in seconds. So just imagine you upload some image, it's some human sitting on the sofa, and the system warning you, oh, it's not what we are looking for, just remove this person. So imagine you have 1,000 listings in your website, it's not real to make it by hand. So you can make it very easy by using such tools. So also this Barcelona-based company, they also have some USA-based USA office, and they train their model. They have neural network trained on images. And they used a lot of number of images to train their system. It's like almost 15 billion of images. It's really a huge number. And I think it's a point to start to rely to them. It's also a web-based application. They provide API integrations. They have very active LinkedIn page, so you can go and to see with whom they interact and chat them, ask your questions maybe, and maybe start to work together. They didn't mention some price in their website, but I pretty believe that it's negotiable and depends on your company and your needs. So you can speak with them and get this information. I really like image tagging product of this company. What's inside? So just imagine you upload some image, again, picture, and just in seconds, some AI tool will tell you, what is this kitchen about? Like, even they have ceiling fan. It's really hard to detect when you look first time at this photo. Even you have kitchen island, you have microwave in your kitchen. So this type of information will really help you to increase your user retention in terms of you will know a lot more about your product. Like you can apply some filters here. I don't see any website when you can go and filter the kitchen with kitchen island in it. It's so detailed. But such type of little things may increase your user retention and also your marketing. And this also involves to know your product very well. You will have a lot of statistics, analytics about which kind of image I have in my website, app, or even your product is. So this really allows you to get your business better, and I think it's very important, and you can use it in whatever you like. You can be as much creative as possible in terms of real estate and AI. It really depends on creativity. The second one I want to show you is image captions. Like when you go to the Google and search for something, each web page has some alt tag, is HTML tag, and your search based on this tag description. And it's pretty hard to make it by manual. Like this tag should be insightful, it should be about this image, and you should do it by manual before, but now you don't. And for example, when you upload such picture, this product will automatically give you that it's covered balcony with ocean view. It will happen in seconds, and you didn't lose any time, any labor for that. And this will increase your Google traffic a lot. This statistic is based on this company website, so up to 46%, I think it's pretty much and pretty good. And also, you may use this information in your marketing materials. Like you want to sell the place with ocean view, I think it's pretty good to advertise it, why not? So this also will give you a lot of information about your type of stuff. And I also like a lot of visual similarities. By the way, it's free in their website, and everyone can go and try it. It's, again, someone's living room from Bazaraki. And when I uploaded this image, I am expected to the tool to find the properties with panoramic view, because the main stuff in this image, I think, is panoramic window. Maybe it's not very clear here, but they give me the results. And all of these small pictures have panoramic window. And it's pretty useful for cases when someone looking for something, but they can't describe it. Everyone has some dream kitchen in their mind, dream bedroom maybe. And you can use this tool for making image search. And you can maybe also you can start to notice that some customers looking only for a place with panoramic window. And it's really small detail, but you can remove all irrelevant content from there and make your user experience much more better. So you can, again, test it by yourself. And when you will integrate this tool in your website, the outcome will be from only your website. That it will not give you random pictures from internet. It will be based on your product. So it's pretty nice to have, I think. We all talk about AI, but as you know, it's very new, it's very fresh, and it has some problems here. It's not a problem, honestly, but I think everyone should be warned about it. When you will go use something in your business, like AI-generated images, you have to think about, who is the owner of this image? Should I copyright someone? Because a website cannot create an image from the zero. Who is the owner? The tool, the guy who worked behind it, the company who just pays salary for the developer? It's a really open question. And also, should I copyright it? What I should to do with such kind of image in terms of legacy? And I don't know, unfortunately or not, but for now, there is no stable regularization about it, and nobody knows. But it doesn't mean that it can cause any problems for you for further. So I really suggest you just follow these tips in the future if you are going to use such kind of image in your real estate website or any product. For example, I suggest you to label AI-generated image. Maybe some small note somewhere will prevent you from some problem. Also, you maybe can use some watermarks, metadata for that. And I really suggest you to stay up to date on the legacy based on your region, because it may depend on the countries, regions, and all detailed stuff. So I really suggest you to go this presentation and just considering this and starting to think about it. Is it legal? Is it good? Will I have some problem or will not? Because it's not stable right now, and it may cause some stuff for you. And I also have to mention two products for now. I don't have a lot of time to speak about, but I think they are doing very well. I'm looking for products which work in Cyprus, in Limassol, for making it much more productive to you. And I mentioned Placey. Placey is a virtual assistant. Like if you are searching for a place, for a home in Limassol, you can start to chat with them in some WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever you want. And Placey will show you, will like answer you by suggesting some home space on your need and your detailed, like your needs. It's free for end user, but if you are an agent and try to use Placey, it will be payful. You should pay for that, so keep in mind. Also, Matterport, I think a lot of you know the Matterport because it's a very big company, and they're mainly considering to making 3D cameras. They have a lot of 3D cameras, they sell it, or you can also call them to your place and ask them to create a digital twin of your place. By digital twin, I mean like the exact copy of this place, even by saving the distance between your mirror and your bed, for example. So it's really digital twin, and you have some 3D visualization of your place, and it's very easy sometimes to deal with it. So I really suggest you to go to the website of these places, have it, and they also serve Cyprus, as I know. They mentioned that's where they worked in Cyprus. So I really want to make it helpful for you. Its references, of course, you can go there and see from the all numbers was made, the links to all these places, all these products, all the statistics. I'm pretty sure that these slides will be shared with you after, so you can just click it at the end. And just waiting for having everyone photo. Okay, and that's all for me. Me and my colleagues will be around today and tomorrow all day around, so you can find me, find Bazaraki team, ask question. We can like small talk, I don't know. But for now, if you have some questions, and even if you feel stressed and not free, no worries, just have your questions. I will try to make it quick and answer. Thank you very much.
A big round of applause for Leyla. So thank you very much. Wait, to see if we have any questions for you. Do we have any questions? Anyone? Wow, okay, it means like you explained everything amazingly well. So again, please give a huge round of applause for Leyla.